Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with a very popular Tibetan dish which is called Sha Phaley. I'm going to show you how this Sha Phaley is prepared. Let's get started. In a hot karai, add chopped cabbage, chopped carrots, chopped soyabeans and mix it well. Add salt and again mix it well. Cook this for some time and put it in a bowl. Meantime, let's make a Maida dough, adding salt, refined oil and water. Add ginger, salt, refined oil, mix it well. And keep it aside. Make a roti. Meanwhile, heat the pan. Put the stuffings in the roti. Fold it. And make the design as was shown. Once done, put into the hot oil and deep fry both the sides. And here I'm done with my first Sha Phaley. So here's my hot veg Sha Phaley ready to eat with coriander chutney. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.